Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will tell you how to find optimized applications for iPad in App Store. There are a few ways how you can find applications that are optimized for iPad. Let's open App Store and let's go to Today tab at the bottom side of the screen. And if you scroll through through this Today tab, sometimes here you can see applications in the category specifically for iPad. So you need to monitor those and check out if here such categories appear. Additionally, when you go to any kind of application that you would like to check if it's compatible with your iPad, let me open this application, for example, and you want to scroll to preview section, and here you can find if your iPad supports this application. So those are the screenshots how this application will look like on my iPad. For reference, let me go to some other application. Here you can expand the list, and this is how it will look like on your iPad. Additionally, if you scroll down to section Information and expand Compatibility section, you can see that iPad is supported, and as well this application requires iPadOS 17 version or even later. So that is basically it. That's how you can find optimized apps for iPad in App Store, and I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.